Hey, what's good? Welcome back to a brand new video. Since it's almost Halloween, I might as well just go and get into the spirit, wear a dish, a skeleton jacket, and do a little creepy, scary videos. I'm just like, why? Might as well. But as you see by today's title, 5 scary videos filmed by the Doorbell camera. It is over after midnight, and I'm doing all this little scary videos tonight. I don't know if that's a good idea. Well. It wouldn't be fun if I did it, especially it's almost Halloween. Late at night, might as well, But I ain't gonna do too much talking. Let me just get straight into this video.
5. What you're looking at is Santa Clarita, California during the tick fire of 2019. The homeowner writes, the fire had just started and within minutes it surrounded our home. People were evacuated only minutes before the fire approached. Los Angeles Magazine reports that the tick fire burned through several thousand acres and forced mass evacuation of some 40,000 people. Luckily, no one was hurt in this video, and this family's home was miraculously saved. Number 4. It's everyone's worst nightmare, a home intruder breaking in the middle of the night.
Hey, what do you need?
That's the homeowner's voice. This homeowner said he thought one of his son's friends was trying to get into the garage.
What do you need?
But then the man came into the house.
Hey, what do you need, dude?
Oh, I didn't mean to run into your house.
Who the f*** are you? Go away. Run.
The homeowner doesn't know how far the man entered into his house.
Somebody's got the f***ing back door, dude. Yo, no kidding. For real.
He ran out the front door to try and cut the man off, but he was gone.
I'm not f***ing joking, dude.
I don't want to see a life.
That's why you always gotta keep a blinky in the house with y'all, man. You never know.
Number 3. You can probably guess that this guy's not a construction worker. He peers inside to see if anyone's home. Then he knocks again. He's looking a bit anxious. He tries to force the door. Notice he does so with a glove, no prints. Finally satisfied that the home is empty, he waves over his partner in crime. Then he calls someone on the radio. His partner arrives. Armed with the tools to break in. In short order, they try and force the door. But their plan is soon thwarted.
Get away from the door.
The homeowner was alerted on their phone and confronted the men through their doorbell camera, chasing them away.
Slick and sneak.
And triggering an alarm.
They thought they was gonna get away. They thought they got something. They thought they were gonna do it. No.
Number 2. Would you open the door if the police came dressed like this?
Yeah, y'all see the camera.
These 2 suspicious men are trying to pull one over on this homeowner.
Yeah, we can see the dang gun in your jacket.
They're knocking at 3 in the morning.
3. Oh yeah, that's one definitely a flag right. They're trying to rob the house.
When they finally speak, they claim to be from CPD or Columbus Police Department.
CBD, my man.
CPD, open up. We need to ask you a couple questions.
I don't think he's wearing that mask because he's sick. He tries again. At last, he gets an answer.
Can I help you?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions.
I'm sorry?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions. May you please step to the front door, please?
Obviously, the homeowner knows what's going on, but these guys are oblivious. They get into position.
CPD.
Yes, this is CPD. We would like you to step to the door, please.
Meanwhile, the homeowner has called the cops.
Can I see a badge?
We would like you to step to the door, please, sir. I don't have to show you my badge, sir.
Okay, give me a second.
Okay.
According to city data, Columbus, Ohio has a crime rate 1.3 times higher than the U.S. average. There were 641 burglaries per 100,000 residents in 2019. They try knocking again.
CPD, open the door.
Little do they know, the real CPD is on the way. Finally, they give up, and they walk away empty-handed. Number 1. A tornado tore through Kentucky, and this doorbell camera bore witness. If you don't think what you're seeing deserves the number 1 spot, then listen to this. This has been Documented Reality.
Number 1 was was expecting more crazy stuff, some breaking or all that. No one ain't bad. It's just like the tornado. I guess it was just weak. It was small. You don't know all that, but yeah, man. See, this I can't wait when I get my own place. I'm getting a camera. I'm getting a doorbell camera, and then I'm copying me a blicky when without a doubt, when I be on my own. You most definitely gotta get y'all gotta stay strapped up, keep yourself on when you're out, or even when you got your own place. But still, as always, just for protection, because people are crazy in the head these days. You never know. Like this is crazy. You can never be safe at home. It's just they just come up to your door and just trying to start some. I don't know why. I guess what I hear someone, I see some suspect. Guess what I'm gonna do? That's what I'm doing. Just hear them knock or try to break in. Guess what? I'm standing right in front of the door. Just standing like this. Wait till they actually come in. Guess what? Like, stop playing with me, man. I ain't even break my house and expect some sweets. Nah, you gonna get blicked down. That's what you gonna do. You gonna get blick. Come up in my property uninvited on some weird man, stop playing, man. Yeah, y'all gotta stay safe. Keep yourself armed, protected. You never know. There's too much crazy stuff going on around here. But let me tell you, when I get my own, it's over. I ain't gonna be nothing to play with. Cause I'm gonna stay ready. Stop playing. But yeah, man. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell so you can get notified when I upload. It's been your boy Struggles, and I am out. Peace.